Hello Carado friends. In this video we focus on the topic of cooking with the gas stove in your Carado motorhome. Cooking on the go can be so easy if you know how to use the gas stove correctly. So let's get started right away. Before we can start cooking, proper preparation is of course crucial, so we open the gas bottle beforehand so that the gas can flow through the pipes to the respective devices, like in our case to the gas stove. The shut-off valves are located below the kitchen worktop. This is how they are closed, and this is how they open. Now the gas can flow to the stove. Our gas stoves are equipped with a piezo ignition or an electric ignition. In our specific case, it is the piezo ignition. Here we move to the regulator. Press the regulator down so that the gas can flow out, and then press the ignition. The ignition appears, then come the flames that appear as a ring around the plate. Then you turn it to the desired strength. Where you want to go, let go, and you can start the cooking process. When cooking, please make sure that you stick to the specified size of your pots and pans. It is also very important to ensure that they are suitable for use with gas. You should also make sure that when cooking with gas, the heat generated is different than that at home. This means that the handles of pans and pots could become very hot. After cooking, it is relatively easy. You simply turn the control to 0, and after cooking it is important that you leave the glass plate open so that the heat can escape and the risk of glass breaking is minimized. For cleaning, you can easily remove dirt, for example, and clean the surface with standard glass or stainless steel cleaners. But our gas stove can do much more. If you close the glass plate again, you can expand this area as a work area. For example, you can place a cutting board on it, a coffee machine, and expand the work area of your kitchen. If you want to turn off the gas again, turn the control to the neutral position, and if you want to be on the safe side, you can of course also close the gas bottle. This step is absolutely necessary if you continue your journey, unless you have installed a gas pressure regulator that has a crash sensor. But be careful. There are countries that do not allow this regulator. That means you have to close the bottle one way or another. Please inform yourself about this upon departure. That was our guide to cooking in an RV with a gas stove. So you see, it's easy to prepare delicious food on the go. Do you still have any questions? Feel free to write a comment. Until the next trip or the next video.